Are you wondering how to keep your remote workforce productive and your corporate data secure while most, if not all, of the workforce is working remotely? Hi, I'm Steve Conyers with CMIT Solutions, and we provide IT and cybersecurity for businesses and nonprofits. A couple of things to keep in mind with remote workforce is one, you want to look at a tool such as Microsoft Teams or Slack to keep your team communicating from wherever they are. And second, use mobile device management that protects your corporate data on mobile devices, no matter who owns the devices. For more information on this and other topics on working remotely, please contact me. I'm always available for a quick conversation, and we can get into more in depth. Steve Conyers, CMIT Solutions. Thank you.